The sky is a vast, unforgiving wilderness, a place where only the most advanced and resilient can hope to survive. It's a realm of endless blue, where the rules of nature are rewritten by speed, power, and innovation. Up here, survival is everything. Every second, every maneuver is a test of dominance and skill. High above the clouds, a new kind of hunter prowls, not a bird but a machine, the F-22 Raptor. It's the product of decades of relentless pursuit for aerial supremacy. Forged from human ingenuity, it slices through the atmosphere with terrifying grace, a silver phantom against the blue. Its presence is both beautiful and intimidating, a testament to what technology can achieve. The F-22 is the undisputed king of this domain, built for one purpose, to own the sky. Every mission, every flight is a demonstration of its superiority. When it moves, you understand power. The roar of its engines is a warning to all who dare challenge its reign. Imagine standing in the desert, silence, then a ripple, then a deafening roar as the Raptor tears past, a blur that bends reality. The ground shakes, and for a moment, you witness the raw force of modern engineering unleashed. It climbs vertically, defying gravity, performing a violent ballet. Each maneuver is a display of agility and precision that few can match. This is what happens when mankind pushes the limits, creating a predator nature never imagined. The Raptor is the result of countless hours of design, testing, and refinement. Every line, every angle, every piece of technology is honed for lethality. Its stealthy contours and advanced weaponry make it a force to be reckoned with. In the cockpit, pilot and machine become one, the apex predator of the modern age. The interface between human and technology is seamless, allowing for split-second decisions at supersonic speeds. The pilot's skill and courage combined with the Raptor's edge make them nearly unstoppable. It's a partnership built on trust, training, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Watching the Raptor perform is awe-inspiring and a little terrifying. Its movements are both calculated and wild, a reminder of the power it wields. You realize you're witnessing the pinnacle of aerial engineering, a symbol of dominance. The Raptor is not just a machine, it's a statement of intent. The Raptor doesn't just fly, it commands the air, bending the elements to its will. Its speed and stealth make it nearly invisible to those who would oppose it. It's a ghost in the sky, a silent hunter that appears, strikes, and vanishes before its prey even knows it was there. Its ability to disappear into the clouds is legendary. This is survival of the fittest, on a global scale. In this arena, only the most advanced survive, and the Raptor leads the pack. The F-22 is not just a machine, it's a message. Don't challenge the king. Its very presence is a deterrent, a warning to any who would threaten its domain. In the world's most hostile environment, it is the ultimate survival tool. No storm, no enemy, no challenge is too great for the Raptor. The Raptor's presence alone is enough to change the outcome of any battle. Its reputation precedes it, striking fear into adversaries before a single shot is fired. It is the sharp end of a nation's power. When diplomacy fails, the Raptor is ready to answer the call. In the sky, there are no second chances. Every move is a matter of life and death, and the Raptor is built to ensure its pilot always has the advantage. The F-22 Raptor ensures it never needs one. In the end, it stands alone, unmatched, unrivaled, and utterly dominant in the skies. The deadliest predators are the ones you never see coming. In the world of modern warfare, invisibility is the ultimate advantage, a power that can decide the fate of battles before a single shot is fired. The F-22 Raptor perfects this with technology. It is a master of stealth, designed from the ground up to disappear from enemy sensors and slip through the fog of war undetected. Its sharp angles and flat surfaces scatter radar, making it nearly invisible to electronic eyes. Every contour is calculated to deflect and confuse, turning the jet into a phantom on the battlefield. Special radar-absorbing materials soak up enemy signals, while engines are buried deep within the fuselage to hide their heat signatures from infrared sensors. Even the exhaust is carefully managed to avoid detection. Even the cockpit canopy is coated with a thin layer of gold, deflecting radar waves and protecting the pilot from prying eyes and electronic surveillance. Every detail is engineered to make the Raptor a ghost. From the seamless joints to the hidden weapon bays, nothing is left to chance in the pursuit of true invisibility. It can slip through the world's most advanced air defenses without a trace, bypassing radar nets and missile batteries as if they weren't even there. This ability to remain unseen gives the Raptor a decisive advantage, allowing it to control the skies and dictate the tempo of any engagement. It can fly deep into hostile territory, gather intelligence, and strike before the enemy knows it's there. The element of surprise is always on its side. The psychological impact is immense. The fear of an invisible hunter sows chaos, forcing adversaries to second-guess every shadow and every blip on their screens. The Raptor moves through radar fields like a predator stalking prey, using every gap, every blind spot to its advantage. It is always one step ahead, always unseen. Stealth isn't just a feature, it's the Raptor's core. It's a philosophy that shapes every aspect of its design and every mission it flies. It dictates the terms of engagement, when, where, and how the fight happens. The Raptor chooses its moment, striking with precision and vanishing before the enemy can react. The first to see is almost always the last to die. In the world of air combat, awareness is survival, and the Raptor ensures its enemies are always a step behind. In the brutal world of aerial combat, the Raptor is the ultimate ambush predator, striking from the shadows and disappearing just as quickly. Its invisibility is its greatest weapon, a silent force that shapes the battlefield and leaves its enemies searching the skies in vain. Power. That's what you feel the moment you stand near an F-22 Raptor, even before it leaves the ground. The anticipation builds as the pilot straps in, preparing for a flight that will push the limits of physics and technology. When the F-22's engines ignite, the air vibrates with raw energy, hinting at the force about to be unleashed. Two Pratt & Whitney engines generate unmatched thrust, letting the Raptor accelerate, climb, and outrun anything in its path. The jet leaps skyward, defying gravity with ease. It can reach over Mach 2, twice the speed of sound. That's more than 1,500 miles per hour, fast enough to leave a thunderous sonic boom in its wake. But its true edge is super cruise, flying supersonic without afterburners, a feat few fighters can match. Most jets need afterburners to break the sound barrier, burning fuel rapidly and lighting up sensors for miles around, making them easy targets. The Raptor can sustain Mach 1.8 without them, fast, efficient, and cool. It slices through the sky, nearly invisible to radar and infrared sensors. This changes the game entirely. The Raptor closes distances in seconds, not minutes, giving enemies almost no time to react or escape. Enemy pilots are left stunned, caught off guard by the Raptor's sudden appearance on their tail. The F-22 controls the tempo, engaging or escaping at will, always dictating the terms of the fight. Its speed and stealth are a deadly combination, making it nearly impossible to track or target. It can sneak in undetected, strike with precision, and vanish before the enemy knows what hit them, leaving only confusion behind. Fighting the Raptor is like facing a bolt of lightning, sudden, precise, and devastating. There's no warning, only impact. Its speed is a weapon in itself, turning the sky into its own battlefield. The Raptor dictates the fight, never the other way around. It's always one step ahead. In the sky, nothing can catch it. The F-22 is the ultimate predator, always in control. The F-22 is the storm, unstoppable, unpredictable, and unmatched in the air. In aerial combat, your senses are everything. The F-22's APG-77 radar is a technological marvel. It uses thousands of focused beams to scan in all directions, seeing further and clearer than any rival. The Raptor detects threats long before it's seen. Its radar uses low probability of intercept signals, like whispering in a crowded room. The enemy never knows it's being watched. The system tracks dozens of targets, identifies friend or foe, and prioritizes threats. All this is fused into simple displays, giving the pilot a godlike view of the battlefield. The Raptor's radar can also jam enemy systems, blinding and confusing them. It can disrupt communications, isolating targets before a missile is ever fired. The F-22 is a digital predator, hunting in an electronic wilderness. Its senses are sharper than any other creature in the sky. The pilot makes split-second decisions with total confidence. The Raptor sees all, strikes first, and disappears. In the world of unseen threats, it is unmatched. Speed and stealth are nothing without firepower. The F-22 carries its weapons internally, keeping its radar signature tiny even in battle. Its main weapon, the AIM-120 AMRAAM missile, fire and forget, launched from miles away. The enemy never sees it coming. For close combat, it has AIM-9 sidewinders and a hidden Vulcan cannon, firing 6,000 rounds per minute. The Raptor can shred enemy aircraft in seconds. It can also strike ground targets with precision-guided JDAM bombs. The Raptor sneaks past defenses, destroys high-value targets, and vanishes. Its combination of stealth, speed, and firepower makes it a multi-role threat. In the air or on the ground, it dominates. The Raptor's arsenal is as invisible as the jet itself. It is always ready to strike. To be king, you must defeat all challengers. The F-22 outclasses rivals like the Russian Su-57 and Chinese J-20. Its stealth and radar mean it sees and strikes first, often before the enemy knows it's there. In close combat, thrust vectoring engines let it outmaneuver any opponent. The Raptor's kill ratios and exercises are legendary, over 100-to-1 against advanced fighters. It acts as a quarterback, directing the fight and making the whole team better. The Raptor avoids messy dogfights by ending battles before they begin. It's not just a fighter, it's a force multiplier. The king of the sky is rarely challenged and never defeated. The F-22's combat history proves its dominance. Its mere presence deters rivals. air supremacy without firing a shot. The Raptor is more than hardware. It's a symbol of technological superiority. Its development pushed the boundaries of engineering and technology. The lessons learned shape the future of aviation. The F-22 is a flying laboratory and a lethal weapon. It sits at the top of the aerial food chain, an apex predator with no equal. Its legacy will last for decades. In the unforgiving wilderness of the sky, the Raptor rules. The king is undisputed and unchallenged.